in a series of fraction. Today's topic is fractional part of a whole. Let us take one question. 1 by 8 of 64. Here 1 by 8 is a fraction and 64 is a whole number, and we need to find out 1 by 8 part of 64. It means we will just replace this off by the sign of multiplication. So here it is 1 by 8 multiply 64, and now it is just like the questions of multiplication of a fraction by whole number. So it is very easy. Just multiply this whole number with numerator. 64 ones are 64. It means 64 by 8. And we know that 64 is divisible by 8. So our final answer will be 8. Let us take one more question. Here it is. 1 by 12 of 3000. So now what we will do, just replace the sign of by multiplication. So it is your question. 1 by 12 multiply 3000. 1 is the numerator, 3000 is whole number, so we will multiply it. So it is 3000 by 12 now. Now we can easily divide in 3000 by 12. So just divide it and you will get your answer 250. Next question is 2 by 3 of 1 day equals to fill in the blank hours. And we know that 1 day equals to 24 hours. So we need to find out 2 by third part of 1 day. It means we will replace this 1 day with 24 hours. Then we will calculate 2 by 3 of 24 hours and just replace this off by the sign of multiplication. 2 by 3 multiply 24 hours. Now it is very simple to solve. 2 into 24 by 3, and we know that 24 and 3, the common divisor of both is 3. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. So the final answer is 16 hours. Let us see one more question. Here it is 1 by 6 of an hour equals to fill in the blank minutes. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So it is very simple now. 1 by 6 of 60 minutes we need to find out. And just replace this off by the sign of multiplication. It is your question. 60 ones are 60. 60 by 6 minutes. It means 10 minutes. One more question. 7 by 12 of 1 minute equals to fill in the blank seconds. Here we need to find out 7 by 12 of 1 minute but in seconds, because we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So we will just replace this 1 minute by 60 seconds first. So here it is 7 by 12 of 60 seconds. Now replace this off by sign of multiplication. Now it is a very simple question. 7 multiply 60 by 12, and you can solve it just by dividing this 12 by 12. 12 ones are 12 and 60 divided by 12 means 12 fives are 60. It means 35 seconds. Next question is this. 2 by 7 of 1 week equals to fill in the blank days. And how many days in a week? Yes, 1 week equals to 7 days. So your question will be 2 by 7 of 7 days, and replace the sign of off by multiplication. 2 by 7 into 7 days, and we will solve it, and we know that 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. So it is 2. 2 ones are 2, and your answer will be 2 days. One more question. 4 by 5 of 10 kilometers equals to fill in the blank kilometer. Here we need to find out answer in kilometer, and our question is also in the form of kilometer. So no need to use the conversion. Here we will just replace the of by sign of multiplication. So here it is 4 by 5 multiply 10 kilometer. Now just solve this. 4 into 10 by 5 kilometer, and it is 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So we can simplify here like this, and we will get 4 twos are 8 kilometer. Now let us do one more question. 11 by 20 of 1 meter equals to fill in the blank centimeters. Now here we need to find out the answer in centimeter, but in question there is meters. We will find out the conversion of meter and centimeter, and we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So our question will be like this: 11 by 20 of 100 centimeter. Now replace the sign of by multiplication like this: 11 by 20 multiply 100 centimeter. So here it is 11 multiply 100 by 20. Now it can be solved very easily. We can cut 0 by 0, and 2 and 10, the common divisor is 2, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So our final answer will be 55 centimeter. So very easy kind of questions, isn't it? Now next question is this: there are 50 apples in a box. 2 by 5 of the apples are rotten. How many apples are rotten? So here what is given? Always read the word problem carefully. So there are 50 apples. It means total number of apples equals to 50. In a box, 2 by 5 of the apples are rotten. It means number of rotten apples equals to 2 by 5 of the apples means how many apples? 50. It means 2 by 5 of 50 apples are rotten. So here it is your question. Now you can solve it very easily. 2 by 5 of 50. We will just replace the sign of by multiplication. So here is your question: 2 by 5 multiply 50. Now just solve this. 2 multiply 50 whole number into numerator by 5. Now we can simplify at this stage because 50 and 5, the common divisor is 5. So 5 ones are 5, and here 5 tens are 50. It means 20 apples are rotten. So we will write answer also: 20 apples are rotten. Simple. Word problem is Manish has 48 stamps. He put 5 by 6 of the stamps in his album and gave the rest to his friends. How many stamps did Manish put in his album? So just understand the word problem. Manish has 48 stamps. He put 5 by 6 of the stamps in his album. It means number of stamps, total number of stamps equals to 48, and number of stamps in album equal to 5 by 6 of 48. Just replace this off by the sign of multiplication and you will get the question like this: 5 by 6 multiply 48 stamps. Now just solve this, and to solve it is very easy. You can simplify at this stage because 6 ones are 6 and 6 eights are 48. 6 is a common factor of 48 and 6. So it is 8 fives are 40 stamps he put in the album, and 8 stamps he gave to his friends. So Manish put 40 stamps in his album. Question is, of the 60 books that Ayushri had, 2 by 3 were storybooks. How many storybooks did she have? How many other books did she have? So read the word problems and you can understand it very well. Of the 60 books, it means total number of books Ayushri had 60, and number of storybooks 2 by third of 60. So we will find out this: 2 by third of 60. Just replace the sign of by multiplication. 2 by 3 multiply 60. Now it is very easy to solve. 2 multiply 60 by 3. Just solve this. We know that 60 and 3, the common factor is 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6 and 0. So it is your answer: 40 books. Number of story books are 40, and other books, because total number of books are 60, so other books, yes, number of other books equals to 60 minus 40 equals to 20. And we will write the final answer also. She had 40 storybooks and 20 other books. Next question is, Janet has rupees 540. She wants to buy a dress that costs rupees 5 by 9 of the amount she has. What is the cost of the dress? So here we know that total money Janet has equals to rupees 540 and cost of the dress equals to 5 by 9 of 540 rupees. So we will just solve this. Just replace off by the sign of multiplication. 5 by 9 multiply 540 rupees. Now it is very easy to solve. We will just simplify here because we know that 540 is also divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9 and it is 9 6 are 54 and 0. So your final answer 300 rupees. It means the cost of the dress is rupees 300. So my dear students, practice it, practice well, because the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Goodbye.